Kevin, we've been looking at a lot of fires today, but the important thing to remember is that your family needs a working smoke alarm that you check monthly, and also an escape plan so everybody knows how to get out, where to meet, and things of that type. The fact is that 30 or 40 years ago, you had on average about 17 minutes to get out of your house when that smoke alarm sounded. Today that's down to 3 or 4 minutes.
Wow, that's short. Why the big difference?
The difference is we have open floor plans, which allows fire to move much faster through your home. We have different construction materials, and most importantly, we have a lot of synthetic materials in our homes. Look at this carpet. At one time, all the carpets were made out of cotton and wool and had real natural backing material. Today it's synthetic material. That's not really bad, but the same is true with your pillows and your furniture. It's all synthetic material rather than duck down or cotton.
So not bad, but it's going to burn a lot faster.
It will burn hotter and faster, and that's why you need that working smoke alarm.
Right. I don't suppose we're going to light this up.
Oh, we absolutely are.
Oh, nice. So obviously a job for a professional, John, right?
Well, we've got our firefighter who's going to start a fire, and sometimes fires start from electrical problems, other times smoking materials. There are many reasons fires start, but the reality is once they get going, they burn hotter and faster than they did 30 or 40 years ago. And everything, including the blanket there, is made up of some synthetic material, and they do burn. This is something that if you see this in your home, you know what you have to do? You have to get out. This is something that is not controlled by you, not by your garden hose. Even if you have a fire extinguisher, it's time to get the family out, and it's time to call the professionals, call 911.
And you can see it drip. I mean, literally balls of flame dripping. That is the synthetic, almost like an oily fireball.
That's called flaming drip.
And at 10 feet away, I mean, this is intense heat that we're feeling right here.
It's terrible heat. Fortunately, this room is designed to have fires. The smoke is going up into a regenerative thermal oxidizer, which means it cleans up the smoke.
So we've got a well-ventilated room. We're not feeling the effects of the smoke. If this were a house, we'd be choking on the smoke.
If this were a house in an enclosed room, you would have trouble breathing. And that's called sustainability. Sustainability is when you cannot maintain life in the fire.
Wow, look at that. There is almost nothing left to that. And this was a total of 7 minutes and all that damage happened.
Look what happened. It's something that can repeat itself in any home, so be careful. Have a working smoke alarm.
Right. Well, good lessons and important lessons, John.